shit. Not bad. There's a lot of people here. Holy shit. What's going on, everybody? Thank you so much for clicking on this video. It's a fun one today. Oh, I wiped it off and I missed the spot. Oh. Life is good. It's a beautiful day in Dallas. And today we're gonna go to a car meet out into a place called The Shop. I made a couple videos there before, so yeah, a couple of new things happening with the car. I ordered some new paddles. If they look too ricey though, I'm gonna get rid of them, but they're super clicky and they're carbon with titanium. So when that comes in, I will for sure make a video on them and all that. So other than that, let's do this. A lot of people also ask what exhaust I have. A lot more people lately have been asking what exhaust I have. And it is the FI exhaust with catless downpipes. Okay, let's do it. I'm late, so let's try to get there quick. I'm also with my absolutely wonderful wife. Hi, babe. And we're gonna go have some fun. So let's do it. All right, let me make sure the camera position's good. We are good. Okay, almost good actually. Almost good, okay. Oh, we got lucky at the light this time, huh, babe?
Yep.
I've got some good content planned for you guys today. I'll probably record some stuff this weekend and get some more out to you guys. So we just hit 5K subs. Holy shit, that's awesome. Can't even believe it. That's awesome. I literally am so happy that so many of you guys are enjoying the content I am producing. It's pretty crazy. So ride. No, and the Camaro's like, fuck you. No. Alright, I know you feel smart, buddy. Alright, let's get through this. Guy in the Mercedes just needs to chill though. There we go. He needs to chill so I can win, you know? It's like, win what? Absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. Oh, that's a crazy wrap. Could. What are you gonna do, buddy? Ah, nice. Are we warmed up yet? Yeah, we're getting there. All right. You gonna go in the right lane? Come on. Go. Change his mind? Okay. Shit. Oh man, there's just too much traffic. Oh man. You're okay though. Hey, look how many people are in that truck. It was like 4 or 5. What is that? Oh. You got the BMW mug?
Yeah.
Can you show the audience? Check this out. When I got the car, they gave me this.
China shit.
China shit. But it's all metal, which is dope. Hey. Thanks, babe. Alright, we gotta take this exit here. A lot of people merging. Nice 911. Alright, we gotta merge in this, so let's see how we're gonna do this. Thanks, baby. there. It's merging here, isn't it? bad. There's a lot of people here. Holy shit.
No, I'm like, wait, what is happening? Alright, everybody's here.
I don't know. Some nice ass cars though. God damn. We gotta get one of those. That spot's taken up. Wow. Cool. Let's walk around. Hi. What's funny is like I have a mic on the back of the car, and a lot of the times when I like rerun these clips while I'm editing, I just hear people mostly good things, but I do hear people's commentary and it's kind of funny.
Oh, it's so funny.
That is. Should we park here?
It's
I
a
think
cute
we should.
car.
Oh babe, look at that. It's a 911 Turbo. It's badass.
Sick.
Yeah, it's cool. Yeah, I'll just park right here. Let's take a stroll around the car meet and I'll end the video. It's okay, babe. I hope she's clean. I wiped it down so quick. Oh, man. All right. Yeah, let's do it. Can I get a pound? Hell yeah. Let's do this. All right. Yeah. Oh my God. Forgot to wipe down such a good spot. See how she looks. Yeah. Yeah, it looks good. Enough of that. Let's go look at some exotics, right?
Yeah. Look, Lambo.
She looks good, but man. Oh, STO. Oh man. Right there, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Excuse me, sir.
No, you good.
Damn, it looks crazy. God damn, that's a nuts. M4CS. I used to want this car so bad. It's not even funny. So bad. But let's go up front. Yeah, we need to get some tint in there. So there's a fine line between a lot of tint or too little, you know what I mean?
I like it too dark.
Right. I'm like a 20% guy, you know?
Yeah.
I think 20% is like perfect.
15 for me.
Right. Damn, she looks beautiful though.
I just love it.
Yeah, they're used to it. You know, back in the day when I was like 20, I do it all the time. You just, you know, you get people all the time, you know, walking in front of your shops. It is what it is. It's the name of the game. RS6, these are worth so much. I gotta not swear too much because YouTube, but these are worth a shit ton of money. A shit ton. You know, this is supposed to be a car meet for BMWs, but you know what's happening is they have a Cars and Coffee from 9 to 11, and then 11 to 1. Yeah. Sexy AF Lambos. Oh my God. Right here. This is my dream car, babe. This is the car that got me to fall in love with cars. Let's look at it. Yeah, it's a Murcielago. Oh yeah. I mean, come on. You know, babe, when we've got a lot of the cars we already want, We're buying one of these. Doors go straight up. Badass.
Is it?
What? Oh yeah, is she old, all right?
These things are basically bulletproof. There's guys that put down fights.
Oh, see, that's my old client. Hold on, let's go over here real quick.
How did they get up there?
Andrea, how's it
Hello.
going? It's so good to see you.
Nice seeing you. Did you bring your car?
Oh yeah, it's over there.
The same car as we have.
Yeah, basically. Yeah.
Nice seeing you.
Yeah, it's good seeing you
Congratulations on the whole life change
Right.
you've made.
I know, I invited him. I'm the reason he's
Okay.
here. What's going on, brother?
too. Hey man, how you doing?
See you, man.
Good to see you.
Hi, Andrea.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Mrs. Dixon, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
Congratulations.
you. Thank you.
That's so nice. I'm gonna do a quick walk around
Yeah,
and then
sounds good.
let's catch up.
Chris? Nice to meet you, man.
Wow. That is cool. Yeah, that's the 765 LT. Looks so cool. That guy's pumping it. Ooh, look at that color. All right, this is pretty cool, huh? So I think if we pay like 10 bucks, we can get a spot. I should have done that, but I didn't look ahead. All right, well, I'm gonna end the video right here. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.